Hi, this is Jenny from Trendy Tree, and I just wanted to give you a little wreath inspiration from Rachel. I stopped by the shop yesterday, and she had put together this really cute Halloween wreath using the black bicycle wheel. The bicycle wheels are about 16.5 inches in diameter, and the number is MD050702. The owl is a product from Raz, and there comes a set of two, the boy and the girl, and the number on it is 3821639. There's an orange glittered boo sign, and that number is MS702120. She used three different ribbons to make the bow, and the first one was a black and white glitter plaid, and it's RW7618CF. And then the jack-o'-lantern ribbon is X911040-21, and this she used a 1.5 inch ribbon. The argyle is X910309-19. She also used a Halloween spray. All these items are available at Trendy Tree, and we hope you'll visit us at www.trendytree.com. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the little bell so you'll get a notification of when we go live or have a new upload. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.